You ready?
Alright, we are at Hillmans Ferry for the weekend. And we're gonna walk up the hill here. They got a little fishing lot. It looks really pretty out there right now. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish. Because he's on the dirt bike, so. Anyway, we picked up some lures from Walmart. We got frog. I got some, like a baby bluegill. I'm really getting like rainforest vibes right now with the.
Do y'all remember my dirt bike from that one YouTube video?
Do what?
Do y'all remember my dirt bike from that one YouTube video?
They might remember it. I don't know. You're still riding that thing around, ain't you?
Yeah.
Look at the trees, dude.
Tell them about my gas one, though.
Yeah, we'll have some videos on that one day. Your gas dirt bike, your little Honda 50. Yeah, I mean, this is going to be a beautiful weekend if we can get the rain to hold off just a little bit. It was pouring rain. I got camp set up. Thankfully, the RV doesn't leak or anything like that. We've been taking care of it. So. Good little hill climb here, and then we go downhill, and we'll be ready to start trying to catch some fish. Man, it's gorgeous out here. Look at that. What do you think, buddy?
I'll just tap over there.
Think we're gonna catch something?
Yeah. We'll catch you. I know. And if we don't, then
Yeah, you need to throw that frog over there under that tree. Yep. Here, hold this. I really like this rod, guys. This thing is only like 25 bucks at Walmart. Actually been helping mow and weed eat and saved up some money, huh? Bought you one of these.
Yeah, it's one that goes out, guys, so. And later in the video, I'll probably drive around my RC car or something.
Well, we gotta let the rain pass today.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go, bud. Go ahead, cast her over.
Oh, come on.
Alright, it's alright. See how it works. It's your first time throwing the frog, right?
Yeah. Oh, this kind of frog.
Yeah. Well, Daddy's gonna throw.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you don't want to get too crazy like that with it. What you got, man?
I got a bass.
Yeah, I see that. Dadgummit.
Yeah, it did bite half of it off.
Yeah, it did.
This is a smallmouth.
Man, we gotta. Here, hold this. Get some good video of your fish here.
And that was on your reel.
Yeah, that would have been my fish.
But
Check that out.
You wanted me
Hey,
to.
camera right here, dude. Look. Heck yeah, here. You wanna put
No.
your thumb in there and you go over and release it, okay? What do you think about that?
I think first fish of the
Look,
day.
there was another one jumping right there. All right, let's get him back in the water. Nice, good job, buddy.
Look, the other half is floating.
Yeah, good job. That's a good catch. I know yeah. So okay, so those baits, it definitely caught a fish, but the back half of it's
You'll probably still be able to use it anyway.
off. I don't know. You're basically just fishing with a fish head now.
Oh no, but can I use yours?
It's And it ended up the back half of this is just gone.
Hey, can I use yours?
This is your last cast, okay? Well, that's probably going to be it for today. We got these rains are supposed to be passed through tonight, and then in the morning we'll have some more footage. We're going to come out here pretty early and try to catch us something out here when the lake is calm. So, peace out, guys.